Hey, this is Jared, and I just want to talk about a project I'm going to do in my house, and I'll have you guys join me and follow along and see what you think if you want to do something similar. It's going to be over several videos because I just can't do it in one video. I'm not going to do all that editing. So let me show you what we're talking about. We have this little, I don't know, I don't want to say pony wall, but this half wall that basically separates our living room from our hallway. And my wife wants to put some shelves in here. I mean, I'm okay with the idea too. She's not forcing me. So we're going to put some shelves down here in this big open space. We won't put them right here where this little desk is. And actually, we won't put them right here. We're going to put them on the other side, right here at this end. So I'll show you what I've started. I cut a hole just to check it out, I guess. And this will be where one of the shelves is. And I think we'll put two of them right next to each other on this side. And maybe more on this side. We'll see. So let me show you. Well, first I'll show you something on the computer. Just to show you what I have in mind to make them. So here's the office. Sorry, let's get this up as soon as I can. Come on. Okay, so this is Home Depot's website. This is a melamine white panel. I believe it's MDF, which I think stands for medium density fiberboard. I'm not even sure, but it's made for, even says right here, cabinets, closets, furniture, and much more. So I think that'll be what I want. It says somewhere on the listing. Oh yeah, somewhere down below it says you can paint it, but it's $28.97 for a 4x8 foot piece. I think I will need 3 or 4 to get the whole project done. And then I'm going to use that to kind of make my little cabinet that's in the wall. And then something like this is a little piece of molding to picture that 8 feet long. So that's an 8 foot by 5, it's 5/32 of an inch thick, and it's 1 1/8 inch wide. So that'll be like my little trim piece to go around the opening. And they're just going to be open shelves, like cubby holes type things. Okay, so that's going to be my molding, and that's, might be all I need to buy for this. I have a little brad nailer and plenty of brads and most of the other things I need, I think. I did buy one tool to cut it out, and I'll talk to you as I go through what tools I needed. I'm going to use the shop vac. This is the tool I did not have, and this is from Harbor Freight, which may not be the best if you're going to be like if you're a contractor or something, but for a DIY guy, and by the way, I'm not super handy. I just kind of figure things out as I go. But this is they call it electric cutout tool. It's called a plunge cutter, I think sometimes. RotoZip is the kind of the one you might have seen on TV. I think Dremel makes something like that. Okay, so let me show you the hole real quick, and then I'll end this video. Okay, so this hole is just the rough cutout. We'll, make straight lines and make it a little bit bigger. I'm not going to go much bigger. Ideally, I would have liked to go taller, almost all the way to the top, and have a couple shelves. But there's some electrical wiring in here. Let's see, I don't know. Yeah, you can see it there. And I'm not sure I want to start messing with that and moving that. So I'll just kind of keep it out of my way. We'll see what I can figure out, and you guys will just kind of see as we go. And then let's see if I can show you down, holding the flashlight. Excuse me. Sorry about that. You can kind of get a pretty good look. There's just some junk on the floor down there. But I think down there on the right, we will have the shelves that are in the living room area. And there is some wiring down there too. Hopefully I can push that up high enough that I can get taller shelves on that side. So we'll see. I don't know how well I can show you this left side. Yeah, so I'll cut that out there too, and maybe even some more. I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll see as we go. Okay, so that's good for now. I think I'll wrap this video up. I'll make another one in a few minutes and show you. I'm going to start kind of cutting out my second hole, just to show you how that cutout tool. I am pretty happy with that. I got that at Harbor Freight. I think it was $25, but I got 20% off because you always get that coupon. So I think it cut this first hole pretty smoothly. I think that'll be fine for what I want. The other tools I plan to use are I have a little brad nailer nail gun that I also got at Harbor Freight. I've done a couple projects with that, and that's been fine with the air compressor. I'm going to have Home Depot cut that 4x8 stuff for me. So I'm going to make a lot of measurements before I go there to buy it. Have them cut it lengthwise or rip it. I think you might still call that ripping it. Then I will make like the cross cuts with my circular saw. I don't have a table saw or anything that I think I could make good, accurate long cuts, and I'm not going to buy something for this project. Home Depot will cut it for you. They might charge a little bit. Sometimes they will do it for free. I've had them cut stuff for other things, and they're like, don't worry about it. If they charge, I think it's like 25 cents a cut or something. So it's fine. It's a lot cheaper than buying a table saw. Excuse me. Okay, so that's it for now. I'll see if I can make another video, get a tripod out and hold it while I make some cuts. Cut this second hole and just show you what that tool's like. It's pretty handy. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, I should give you my quick commercial. Go to my wife's website. I'll put the link in the description. It has nothing to do with this, but it helps us out if you go there and spend a minute or two. If you want to buy something, that's great too. It's Scentsy. You may not know what that is, but you can check it out. If you would, I'd appreciate it if you just check out the website for like a minute. If you're just going to go click on it, don't bother. But if you can stay a minute, that helps Google rank us higher. I guess it doesn't help Google, it helps us. And then, all that YouTube stuff. Please like and subscribe to my channel, like the video, etc. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.